Hello and welcome everyone to another Tech Channel tutorial video. In today's video, we will be showing you how to change your number on Bigo Live. In order to change your phone number on Bigo Live, first of all, go ahead and open up your Bigo Live application. Once you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, scroll all the way down and then tap on Settings. Then from the Settings menu, tap on Account Management. Inside the Account Management page, you will see your phone section. Tap on your phone number and you will see an option which says Change Phone Number. Tap on this and you will be asked to verify your phone number first. Go ahead and tap on the Send button and you will be sent a verification code from Bigo Live. Enter this verification code and then tap on the Next button. Once you enter your verification code and press on the Next button, you will be asked to enter your new phone number. This will also ask you to verify your phone number right in this page. Go ahead and type in your new phone number and then tap on the Send button once again. Once you receive your code, type in the verification code and then press the Done button. Now you will see that your phone number has successfully been changed. So that is how simple it is to change your phone number on Bigo Live. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.